We're live. Deerhurst, 2014. Oh yeah.
All right, Jimmy.
You're coming on up. Grab your driver.
Don't worry about a ball because we got your 2004 Jimmy's Happy Gilmore.
His first Happy Gilmore. We got you set.
Tee it up high?
Yeah.
Let him see the words so he can enjoy.
I'll probably fall over on my ass.
Don't you dare. Well, we'll have it on video if you do. All right.
All right.
No, you don't run hard at it. Just move. No.
Oh, one more time, buddy.
Jimmy, just take a shot. Just take a shot.
Oh! You blew the ball up.
What happened?
Smoke.
You killed that ball.
We might have set you up for that, buddy. I had that sitting in my garage for ages.
Nice. Yeah, keep the shell. Right here.
It's going to be a muddy lie.
Yes, guy.
He's out. Sean, do you have that towel? Sean, I think you've got a little schmudge, a little something right here. A little something. Hang on, I think it's got a little something right there. Perfect. And over here too. Handsome. This man, Muddy Sean.